Change the order of integration for the double integral I equals integral 0 to 1 integral x square to 2 minus x xy dy dx. We will identify the boundaries of the region inside which we have to perform integration looking at the limits of y and x. We have y varies from y equals x square to y equals 2 minus x. Therefore, y equals x square, which is a parabola, and y equals 2 minus x, which is a straight line, will form two of the boundaries of the required region. We have x varies from x equals 0 to x equals 1. X equals 0 is the y-axis and x equals 1 will be the straight line which passes through the point A. We have point A is the point of intersection of parabola y equals x square and the straight line y equals 2 minus x, which is obtained by solving the equations y equals 2 minus x and y equals x square. The straight line y equals 2 minus x will touch y-axis at the point B with coordinates x equals 0 and y equals 2. This shaded region is the required region inside which we have to perform integration. Verify that when you draw a vertical strip, it has its lower end resting at the parabola y equals x square, and this vertical strip has the upper end on the straight line y equals 2 minus x, which is the idea conveyed from limits of y, which is y equals 2 minus x and y equals x square. When this vertical strip shall slide from x equals 0 to x equals 1, the complete shaded region will be traced. However, since we are asked to change the order of integration, we have to find out limits of x first, considering a horizontal strip. But a single horizontal strip shall not serve the purpose. This is because when you consider a horizontal strip here above the line y equals 1, you see that this horizontal strip has its left end at x equals 0 and right end on the line y equals 2 minus x. But when you consider another horizontal strip below the line y equals 1, it has its left end at x equals 0, which is the y-axis, and right end is touching y equals x square. Therefore, we will split the shaded region to two regions, which is region above the line y equals 1 and region below the line y equals 1. For this triangular region, we have the horizontal strip will convey limit of variation of x, which ranges from x equals 0 to x equals 2 minus y. We have y equals 2 minus x will give us x equals 2 minus y, which will form the upper limit of this horizontal strip for this triangular region. Now when you consider this region which lies beneath y equals 1, we have horizontal strip will convey as the limit of variation of x, which ranges from x equals 0 to x equals root y. From the equation of the parabola y equals x square, we will obtain the upper limit which is applicable for this horizontal strip, which is x equals root y. In this region above y equals 1, we will have to allow this horizontal strip to slide from y equals 1 to y equals 2 to trace this triangular shaded region which lies above y equals 1. In order to trace the shaded region below the line y equals 1, we will have to allow this horizontal strip to slide from y equals 0 to y equals 1. This horizontal strip will first of all enlarge to become the line y equals 1, and it will go on shrinking up till it reaches the situation that it becomes the point which equals B. This horizontal strip will first of all assume y equals 1, which is the straight line. It will go on shrinking. Finally, it becomes the origin. We have splitted the given integral to two integrals whose order of integration has been changed. Now we perform usual integration. First, integration with respect to x, treating y as a constant. After giving the upper and lower limit of x, then we will perform integration with respect to y, and we get the value of the double integral as equal to 3 by 8.